In this video, we recap our webinar on all things credit. Credit reports impact everything from loan approvals to apartment rentals and even insurance rates. Let's discuss how credit reports work and what to do when they're wrong. A credit report is your financial reputation on paper. It includes your payment history, public records compiled by major credit bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, as well as an overview of your accounts. Your credit report influences key decisions like loan approvals, apartment rentals, and insurance rates. For instance, a low credit score may lead to higher interest rates on loans. Stay informed and land yourself better financial opportunities. Errors in credit reports can range from simple typos to serious identity mix-ups, duplicate accounts, or incorrect balances. These mistakes can negatively impact your credit score and financial opportunities. The dispute process is free and your legal right. Step 1. Request your credit reports. Step 2. Review every line. If you spot an error, gather proof and submit a dispute directly to the credit bureau and the company that reported the information. They must investigate within 30 days. Checking your credit report isn't optional. It's essential. Regular reviews protect your financial future and ensure you're not paying for someone else's mistakes. The bottom line: know what's on your report, correct what's wrong, and use this knowledge to build a stronger financial foundation. Contact us today to meet with a financial counselor at no cost. If you'd like to view the webinar in its entirety, you can find the link in this video's description. Thanks for watching.